Oh.
Can I smile again?
You have happy time? Oh. Eh? Oh. Hmm. Hey. Oh, poor Hiccups. Eh. Ah. Wah. Wah. Oh. Here. Hiccup. I think your limbs work. Nordic trick. Do the Nordic
They
trick.
work. I just can't really control them very well.
That's okay. Neither can I. Oh. Hi. Oh, bless you, sweetie. Whoa. That would freak me out if I was a baby. What the hell is that? It's okay. See?
She always sneezes out of the room. Oh.
Oh. Yeah. Hiccup. Mm-hmm. Get a smile. Can you get a smile in between hiccups?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I can't work my limbs or my lips. Ah, there it is! That's a pretty lady.
Is Daddy funny?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. It's like she's trying to grab on as she's falling back. No. You're not falling, no. You're laying in a camo blanket. Hi. Hey. Hey. There's a big smile. Yeah. Hmm? Yeah. Congratulations, the camera recognized your face as a face. It was being weird before. Ooh. And your chubby arms. Wow. Yeah. Hi. Wish I had a better camera. Oh. Better lighting. We need better lighting. Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah. Boop. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, I'm falling. No, no. It's okay. You can grab onto me. Grab on. Right arm, right leg. Playing the drums? You playing drums? Are you stepping on something? Hey, Audrey, over here.
Gas? Is that the gas?
Well, I don't think that's... Well, that might be how a
Stepping
woman
on the
drives.
gas pedal.
Hey, over here, sweetie. Okay, you're a spaz. Oh, no, don't cry. Don't be sad. I'm pushing it. I'm stepping on it. It's not... Nothing's happening. Maybe she needs to hit something. There we go. Look up.
I found a play mat that's got